Raise your hand. Preparing tea, is it simple?
Yes.
Ah, correct. Brushing teeth, is it simple? Nice. Having snacks at Daffodils Toastmasters Club. Now I'll give you the most simplest one. Giving 500 rupees to Toastmaster Vishal. Okay, thank you for the participation. We seem to have a consensus on what a simple task looks like. I always believe a simple and a straightforward task is like 2-minute Maggi noodles. Read the instructions, follow the steps, wait for 2 minutes, voila! Result and Maggi both are ready. But my life has been giving me twists with simple tasks. Every simple task led to unexpected outcomes. My first reality with this was during the study holidays of my engineering. I wanted to clear with maths paper first and then proceed to other subjects. The subject had 14 chapters, but 7 were sufficient to pass. I thought, how hard can it be? One day, 1 chapter. 7 days, 7 chapters. The rest of the subjects I can clear with rote mugging and Vishal's special creativity. I should have begun cracking formulas, solving problems, but I did something more important, preparing timetables. Just so that the primary timetable sector doesn't fail, I prepared a backup timetable. My parents thought I was doing engineering. I thought I was studying maths. But in reality, I was preparing to become a gold medalist in MTM, Master of Timetable Management. Guess what happened next? I scored 100. Not in the first attempt, not in the second attempt, but in 3 attempts combined. By then I realized I should have taken maths seriously. But who cares? Both maths and timetables were history. On this happy note, I wanted to improve my health. I thought of walking 30 minutes every morning. How hard can it be? Get up, walk, come back. Every day I would wake up determined. But as soon as I wake up, an executive committee meeting starts, not in the room, in my mind. The treasurer from the back of the head screams, no budget for track pants. The vice president membership tells, your friend has not decided to join you. The vice president education says, your walk is not mentored. The secretary says, I don't have this walk in my agenda, I can't prepare the MOI. Seeing all these discussions, the president rises. Vishal, I hereby declare your walk cancelled. Beat real life, beat Toastmasters, beat my dream. I never crossed the lines drawn by the president. I went back to bed, hid under my blanket. By then, I should have realized not to take anything for granted. But Vishal being Vishal never learns anything easy. After engineering, what was the next course of action? Job hunt. So I thought of upskilling myself with a course. It was the first day of my course. While I was about to leave, I got a call from my friend. Macha, do you have 5 minutes? Yeah, of course I have 5 minutes. Talk to him, finish the conversation, go to class. How hard can it be? Yeah, tell me bro, what happened? Macha, I'm planning to apply to a company. Great man, what's it about? Macha, this company is called Meiosis and it's headed by one person called Suryanarayan Murthy, who is husband of Vasudha Murthy. Bro, I've heard of this company. By the way, did you say Vasudha Murthy? Yeah bro, I said Vasudha Murthy. Bro, forget Vasudha Murthy. Do you remember Vasudha of Computer Science branch? Of course I remember bro, who will forget that? Dude, doesn't her best friend look like Madhuri Dixit? Just like that, within a few seconds, the conversation jumped from job hunt to Madhuri Dixit. We discussed about her eyes, her smile, her wonderful dance steps. If Einstein's theory of relativity ever required a practical demonstration, it was happening right there during the conversation. We spoke about job hunt for 5 seconds, and the rest of the conversations remained for. Never mind, some things can't be calculated. The duration of the conversation and the beauty of her smile. And as expected, I didn't attend the class on that day. The plans got derailed. Fellow Toastmasters and my dear friends. If you look back at all my stories, there was one common pattern. The challenge was never the issue. The way I approached the challenge was the issue. Be it a simple task, be it a complicated task. Every task requires effort and dedication, along with intent. The moment we stop disrespecting a task, the moment we assume results are guaranteed, that is when the outcomes are going to be derailed. The next time you find something simple, the next time you feel like telling, how hard can it be? Just remember Vishal and his silly stories. Toastmaster Mahesh, how hard can it be? Thank you.